What's up guys, Shiva here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fitness website using Quack Builder. As you can see right here, I'm at quackbuilder.com, and as you can see I'm at the themes section. I'm just gonna try to choose a theme, but please keep in mind that I'm gonna be removing most of the stuff from this theme that I'm choosing, because I want to build it kind of from scratch. Not really from scratch, but anything that I don't want on the page, I'm just gonna get rid of it and just try to make the design from my head. Okay, so let me click preview on this one. As you can see, this one is, it's a nice theme. It's very nice, clean and everything. And please keep in mind that I'm just gonna modify this theme to become something else. Okay, so you guys will see the transformation, what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, this theme's very nice. So let me see if I can, just add this. So just click add right there and just, think of a name that I want to give this theme. So how about amazing fitness? Okay, because this is gonna be like a fitness website. So let's see that. So let me click that. All right, so this is our theme, and as you can see, it's loaded into the builder very quickly. And as you can see, very clean, very nice. I'm happy with the way this looks, but I'm just gonna modify this theme, you know what I mean, so it look more of a fitness website, because right now it's a beauty website. So let's modify this and see if we can make it into a fitness website. Okay, like that being said, let's get into it. Let me see right here. All right, so as you guys can see, just looking at the website to see where I'm gonna get started. Okay, so basically I'm gonna start from the top, as you know, and I'm just gonna start to customize this website. All right, so if I come right here and I just double click that, I'm just gonna edit this text real quick. So let me see what I'm gonna name it. I think it's amazing site, but all right, say egg off body like hold in, but I think I'm just improvising, guys, excuse me. Hopefully let me make this smaller and see if I can write something right here. Okay, so fitness zone, and I'm just brainstorming, guys, meanwhile I editing this video, trying to come up in with some, excuse me, hopefully try to come up with some, stuff for this particular niche, because it's a fitness niche. We build every kind of website, but basically when we're building website for customer, they already give us everything that we need to build their website. So this is just me showing you guys how to build a website, from scratch. All right, so let me see what I got here. One, two. build. Let me see, I'm just gonna try and get rid of that, and I'm just gonna do something totally different because I'm trying to make it unique for this niche. Okay, so trying to just brainstorm a little bit to add at least some, you know, uniqueness to the website for this particular niche. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, so I think that is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to organize it a little bit so it look more better onto the page. Okay, so let me see right here if I can just break it down a little bit. So let me go from here and let me see if I can space that back out, and then let me see if I can get it from here and see if it look better. Okay, much better. That's what I want. So let me click save real quick, and let me do some customization to see the button real quick. Let me just change that button text to enroll now. Click OK, and I can change it. I can put it to direct where I want the enroll now button to go. But for right now, I'm just gonna save and leave it as it is. Pull this up a little bit, because make sure, guys, always make sure that you're spacing your website accordingly. Okay. All right, so let me just click that, try to add a picture right here. And with Quack Builder, we make it so easy now because we have, if you're looking for image for your website, we have this built-in image directory that allow you to just search and just for any image that you want and download it from the builder, so you don't have to go anywhere else to look for your image, because we have it built inside of Quack Builder for you. Okay, so I'm just scrolling through looking for a nice image so I can put into my website. So this one look good. I think I like this one and that one. Let me see if I can use this one. So basically when I click that, what Quack Builder do is download the image and just put it in the website for me. That's so amazing, right? Okay, so all right, let me do some editing of the text. So I'm going to change the color in green. Is that green or blue? Let me see if I can find a green color. Green. Yes, well, green. Okay. All right, so just, playing around with it and improvising a little. I think I want to do something with the, the text to see if I can change. Let me see I think that one is fine, but let me try this one. Okay, that look good too. I like that one, but let me change the size of, excuse me, hopefully, of the text. And please keep in mind, we can add a lot more font in here. We can import our Google font and other font inside of here. And excuse me guys, because my hand is pushing. I got a mouse for gaming. I got a gaming mouse and it have a lot of button on there, so these messages keep coming up because I keep pushing that button on the mouse, because it's for gaming and it's have a lot of button on there and I'm not used to it as yet. So if please bear with me guys, if you guys seeing that coming up, it's just me pushing that button on the mouse. All right, so I click update. All right, so when I click update, let me see this text. I think I'm gonna modify this button a little bit. Let me see. I don't really want that color into green. You know what I mean? I need to change the button itself, I think, into green. So let me see. What if black would look good with it? All right, so just leave it. I'm just gonna change it back, you know, because I want to basically have that button background into the green, not the text of the button. So all right, so let me see what I can do right here. Everything looking good so far. So let me just click that right here and then see if I can just turn the button into green real quick. All right, so let me see if I want to do anything else. Text size. Let me see. White. And do I need it in white? And I think it's too big, so let me put it down a little bit. All right, so let me just resize that a little bit so everything can be uniform and look better onto the page. Let me pull the screen down some. All right, so that looks basically fine to me. Okay, the website is coming along. As you can see, we're trying to get a fitness kind of a website. So what I'm thinking about doing now is to basically add like an header onto this website. So basically what I'm gonna do is to put in a container, and once I put that container in, let me see if I can just, you know, search for the widget of an header. Where is that? All right, let me scroll back up some. I think it's right here. The menu, I think I need. So just put the menu right there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna create some menu for right now. It's landing page. I can change that. But let me add these other pages in here real quick. I'm gonna change all of those, but for right now, let me just add some stuff for the menu. Okay. All right, so now we have like 3 stuff, so let's just name them accordingly. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna name this one home. Just click enter. As you can see, change over there. And this one, let me see what I want to put right here. Say about probably about us. About is fine for now. And let me see if I can put this down here real quick and just put and just change this one to our package. All right, so click that and let me just see if I can, you know, just make him in a different just change the menu around, you know, so it don't be list or vertical. Just let it be horizontal, and I can make it a badge if I want, but horizontal is fine for me. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it as that, and let me see if I need to, you know, just change some stuff on the settings. So to me it looked good, everything looked fine, but I would love to like maybe change it over to green and let it all matched up with the site. So click OK right there. Okay, let me save that. Always save your work, guys. Every time you make progress that you like, always save your work. Okay. All right, so let me see if I can align it over there so it can go all the way over, save. And I think I'm probably gonna put this into 2 container. Just split the container up, let it 2 and probably 3. I think 2 would be good. And just put this over here, excuse me, hopefully, so I can put, excuse me, hopefully pull this up some so I can just put a logo on the top. I don't have a logo as yet for this site because, as you can see, this video is basically a demonstration video to show you guys how easy it is to build your custom website into Quack Builder. So I'm just gonna add like a text logo for right now. So I'm just gonna name this Amazing Fitness. All right, so I'm just gonna turn that basically, let me see if I can change the font. Let me see if this one works, or let me see, let me just take it down a little bit from the size, excuse me, hopefully. Let me take the size down. Is that too small? Okay, all right, so let me just put this into a color of green so everything matched up with the site, kind of. And then let me see if I can bold this and see how it look. Great, look perfectly fine. All right, so as you can see, we're working on our logo right now. I was thinking about to put something down there, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is for right now. I'm just gonna click save, and let me see if I can pull this over a little bit. Fine. I'm just gonna click save right there. All right. So basically what I'm doing, guys, you know, just making sure that the spacing and everything is right with the site, because spacing is crucial when you're designing a website. Okay, so you have to make sure that your website space is accurate, okay, and look good for your users. All right, so let me see if I can, let me see, go scroll down a little bit. I'm just thinking about what else I can do right here. Okay, so everything looking good so far. I got the header and I got my logo. I got some stuff in the header I can change later on. I can put more stuff into the menu. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and I'm gonna scroll down and see if I can start to design another block. Please keep in mind, guys, that most of the stuff that you see on this page, I'm gonna be deleting them, okay, because I want to actually create my own design, kind of. So let me put this down for now. I maybe put it back up, but for right now I'm just gonna put it down for the design, and then when I finish design the block, then I can put it up or down or wherever I want it to. All right, it all matters like what looks good or what I want to make or what I want to create. Once, let me delete these, excuse me, hopefully. Yeah, guys, so it's all matter of what I'm gonna create or what I want to create. So I visualize the design inside my head, and then I just, come to Quack Builder and just try to build it out. All right, so let me see right here is like the container is split into two. Okay, so I'm thinking about to make it into like three or something like that. So let me delete that. So the container is empty, so I can start from scratch. All right, so let me see if I want to put it in the three and then just start the design like that. Okay, so put it in a three. So I'm brainstorming a little bit. So, all right, most of those stuff down there is gonna be deleted anyway. So let me start to design this block a little bit. So let me see if I can, let me scroll down some, see what I want to add in here. All right, for now, I'm just gonna add a text. And this is for like a heading text. So let me give it some, information. Say sign up for 6 months. All right, let me see if I can, because I'm brainstorming, guys. You're gonna see the way it look once I've finished, but for right now, this is just the process of me getting what inside of my head out. Okay, so sign up for 6 months, get 30% off. Okay, let me see if I can pull this down some, and this look way too big. And let me see if I can just change it. Still too big. Let me see. 12. 32. Excuse me. Hopefully. Or maybe should I try 28? 28 is a little bit kind of small. But let me put a hand in there. And then let me see if that. Let me see. And right here. Yes. So sign off for 6 months and get 30% off. All right. So let me see if I can do some basic tweaking to this. I think I should make it a little bit bigger or just change the font. So let me change it to that and see. What about this one? Look all right, but let me see. Okay, not too bad. Let me see if I can put it. I mean, they all look good. I can add more font in here. But I like that one, so I'm just gonna see if I can just squish it down some, and then let me see 1.0, 1.2, I think perfect. Let me see if I can just, put, I think if I put it bigger, that will work. Yeah, so let me see 36. All right, not too bad. So 36 works for me for right now. So now let me see if I can just modify it a little bit more, because we're designing, guys. So when you're designing, please guys, just take time, build something that you like for your website. And please keep in mind, you can change it at any time. You can change the color, you can change whatever you do at any time. This is the good thing about Quack Builder, is like you can instantly just change something if you don't like it, you know what I mean? All right, so let me see if I can put it in this green color. See if I can find. All right, so let me see. Put that into white. Perfect. Look way better. Let me see if I can adjust this. I can put it in gradient if I want, but I don't want to gradient it. Let me see if I can just put a little bit of border. I don't even want to really, you know, had a lot of border in our stuff on there. I don't even think I need the border on there, because, but I'm just, you know, testing out, you know, some design features that I have. See what works best. Always test out, excuse me, hopefully always test out your design, see what you like. Okay, if you don't like it, all you do, you just change it. Okay, you always can just change it. All right, so let me put this separator in here, and then let me just add it to full, change the color to white. Okay, all right, so to me this is looking really good already. So let me see if I can just add some text in here and drop it right there. All right, so let me see. Let me brainstorm some, see what I want to write in here, because you know, I'm just trying to come up with everything from off the top of my head. So please bear with me, guys, while I just, you know, write some copy, write some demo copies. Okay, so let's get started. And your fitness, your fitness, let me see, journey, nope, that's not it. So let me just change this real quick. All right, so save 30% or more when you sign up today. All right, guys, as you can see, just some basic copy, because this video is to just show you guys the design. So let me just try to change this real quick. So let me get off this and highlight this. Guys, this mouse, I'm having problem with this mouse, because this mouse is a gaming mouse. I should never bought a gaming mouse to do web design, but it is what it is. So what I'm doing now is just, you know, building out this block. All right, so I got that first one looking okay. So what I want to do now for the second block and the third, I want to keep adding more and more stuff in those blocks so I can complete them. All right, so what I'm gonna do is to just add an image, and we make it so easy. So I'm just gonna download an image real quick. This is so amazing in Quack Builder. now we have our image directory, so you guys don't have to worry about image anymore because it builds inside Quack Builder. You can just search for image and download image that you want to use. Okay, let me see. This one look great. This one, that one, no. Okay, so let me see. We have so much great image in here. It's like you'd be confused to choose one. So let me select this one and see if, great, that's one looking good. Awesome. So now that we have an image, sometimes you get an image, you may change it later on, or if you don't like it, you can change it, but it looked good so far, so good for what I was imagining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to see if I can add some information into this image. So let me drop that inside of here and just type some information in regarding this image. Let me see if I can improvise something that match up with it. So gonna have to, it's a dark image, so we got to change the color so everyone can see it, right? Then we have to do some tweaking, you know what I mean. Think maybe it's too big. Great, so let me put it down some, and let me try 32. Let me even try smaller. I think, let me see if I can say get to all classes, bring it down some, and then just put it to 24, or just squish it. Just squish it to 1.0. Let me try 0.8. Look good. And 0.8. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then once, let me see if I can pull this down some, and then let me see if I can just basically add, I'll make it, all right, let me put it to the right and see if that's better. And let me see if I can just put a little background shadow on there. All right, that's looking good. It's coming along. So coming along pretty fine. So let me pull it down some. Excuse me guys, my hand is pushing that button. This mouse is a problem for me. So just click save. Yeah, this gaming mouse, it have too much button on there. Should have never get it for web design, but it's fine. I gotta work with it. All right, so let me see if I can just add some more text in here. So let me see, subscribe, and put that up, and let me change color to green or white, or let me see, green. Put the green to a darker green. Okay, not looking too bad. But let me see if all right, so let me put it over to the left of that one. And please remember guys that spacing is crucial, and size, you have to get the size right as well. So let me space it down some, and then let me see if I can just see if I can, you know, mess with any settings for it to look more appropriate. To me it's look fine because that's what I'm going for, so it look really good to me. This is just the building process guys. This is how it's gonna look when you're building it, but once it finished and you look back at it, you're gonna be like, yeah, this is a really good, nice, clean website. Okay, and this is what I do every day. I build website from scratch. You know, I build website for my clients and so on and so forth. So if you need web design, please let me know. Link is gonna be in the description. So if you need me to build you a custom website, link is gonna be in the description. You can call us, you can text us. Yeah, you can basically email us as well. So link is gonna be in the description. Our number is gonna be on our website at the top and at the bottom. So please look out for that number as well. Okay. All right. So that picture look good. So let me just see if I can stretch it. Perfect. And just pull it down some so you know everything matched up. You know, you need your design to be, you know, uniform, so you got to make everything match up. Okay. All right, so basically what I want to do is basically add some text to that image as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this with Quack Builder, make it so easy because I want to have the same text like variation and everything. So all I just do is just copy it. Excuse me, hopefully. And the image, I think I'm gonna remove it and I'm just gonna add it into the column so it's inside the background. Okay. All right. So perfect. All right. So I gotta bring that down some as well. But let me see, I gotta change the text. Put that over, let me see if it's better. I think I'm gonna, let me see some real quick. Let me see if I can just put a brighter color. I'm just gonna put that into white and then change this back into black. So I just switch it around. So basically, as you can see, the design is coming along. All right. So let me just pull this down a little bit. Pull it down so it can be uniform, as I told you guys before. And pull this up some. I was just thinking, like, should I use a text or just use a button for that last like column right there? So I think that a button would be more appropriate. So just let me just put this button here, customize the button. Let me move this over to, let me see, get, see, consultation. All right, so get consultations, excuse me, hopefully I can, you know, link it to where I want it later on, but let me just pull this down some. because we need it to be smaller. See if I can space it to 1%. Let me see if I want to put the color. I think the color would be fine. So let me see if, excuse me, hopefully if I can put the button over, yeah, and then pull it down some so it can match up. And let me just change the color from there to green as well, so everything kind of uniform. You know, you need your website to be uniform. And let me just make this text, this button, excuse me, hopefully small. Okay, so as you can see, the website is coming along beautifully. So let me save. I think I'm gonna push the thing back up on top of here, but let me see if I can. I don't want to change that. Let me put this right here, and then let me just pull this over because I want to just put it up a little bit, probably like 50%. I may change it depending on how it look. I will know how much percent to give it. So let me click here and let me just scroll down and give it the same percent I give that one, because you need it to be matched up and level. And for this one, let me do the same thing, give it to the same percent, and let me save it as I want to preview it and see how it looks, so our customer would see it. And yeah, look really good, but I think it's up too much. I think it's up too much, so I think I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit more. Let me see if I go back to the builder, click right here. Let me see if I can bring it to like maybe 30% or 25%, I think. So let me bring all of them to 25%, because I think that will look better, because it's not going to be too much hop on the button to enroll. All right, let me preview it again. Let me save that and let me see. Please keep in mind, guys, that all that down there, I'm going to be removing those. I'm going to be removing all these because I'm building this website, you know, from scratch as a fitness website. So most of these stuff that on this page, I do not need them. Okay. So let me see if I can just delete that. Let me see if I can just delete this as well. And this as well. This too have to go. And this is gone. All right, so that too as well. As I told you before, that most of the stuff is going to be removed from the page because I'm building everything out of my head. Okay, I'm dragging and dropping everything and building it from scratch because Quack Builder is so awesome that I can do that. Anything that I have inside of my head, I can just build it out. Okay, so let me click that, click services, and see I need something like with maybe 3 or 4 column. Let me see this one. No, is it? Let me scroll down some and see if I can find something that more appropriate to what I'm looking for. All right, so this look great. This look good to me. So I think I'm gonna choose this one because this look good for what I'm imagining. So yeah, let me click that and see if it's a good fit. Let me pull all right, so excuse me, hopefully. Let me pull that up. Let me push that up. Okay. Let me rename this to our product process. All right, so our process. All right, excuse me, hopefully not product, our process. All right, so let me see if I got enough spacing. I think I'm going to remove this from here. It's giving me too much spacing up there, so let me just delete that real quick and just adjust the spacing from here and click save. All right, so great. Now we leave with this. So basically what I'm going to try to do is to change the icon, but I don't want to add like an image icon. I just need to add icon by itself. But let me see if I can find anything in here, which I know that I'm not gonna find anything to use right there because that's not for that. I need the icon, so let me put some icon in there. And I can search too as well, but and I can just scroll through to find something that I want to just, you know, just put in there. Let me scroll down. I think I'm gonna choose this one, and let me bring the size up some. Always can change it later on, so let me just remove this. Great, so now we have that, and let me see. Guys, basically what I'm doing is copying over all these icons because this make it more easy for me, and Quack Builder make the workflow so easy. Once you have one icons that you like, you just copy all the rest of the icons over, and then you can change them later on. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. So I'm just gonna click right here and just change this icon to what I want it to be right here. You can search if you don't see what you like. You just, just basically, just try to search for something else until you find what you like, or you can just scroll through manually till you find what you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to do this quickly, see if I can find all the icons that I want to use. So let me see if this one is good, and last but not least, let me choose something for this one. Great, so we have this one for that one. All right, perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is basically align them up. So let me see, center would be more appropriate, so let me just add them into the center. And after I add them into the center, let me see if I can bring this up a little bit. I think that's fine. Or I think I probably put this on. Let me see something. Put another container, and I think I'm just gonna pull this up to that container real quick, and this maybe delete this one. Let's see if I can remove that. All right, so now let me just pull this down some. This one, see if I can get the spacing correct. because spacing is crucial. So let me just review it. Our customer would have said, and perfect. I like the way it looks, but it still needs some work. So let me go over here and, you know, pull it down some, pull it down some. Let me see if the spacing is better. Style. Let me put like a little color on the top right there, so they know it stands out. And let me look at it. Our customer would have see it now. And perfect. Looking stunning. I like it. All right. So basically, if I go back to the builder, let me see what I can do right here. You know, we need to change these to basically what it represents. So let me see if I can do analyze, and for this one, let me see, work hard on hit. This one, let me see if I can brainstorm something. Improve your performance. Okay. And for this one, let me see. Your destiny. All right. Achieve your destiny. Okay. All right. So let me see if I can put that down a little. And for this one, I think I'd probably leave it the way it was, because it's just it's just longer than the rest of the other words. But it's fine. It's not a big deal. But still, I gotta play around with it. You already know. Make sure that it's, you know, everything is like uniform. All right, so improve your, let me see if I can put this up and see. I think I would just basically um I would just basically leave it because it's appropriate. So I think that would be perfectly fine. And now let me see if I can just add these and put them in the center, because it will be more uniform to the center, all of them, so it looks better. All right, so let me see, save, the analyze. I think I'll probably make it a little bit bigger, I think. Let me see if 24 works. I don't want it to be too big, you know, just big enough so it can stand out like the others. All right, so you already know we have to write some information down there as well. All right, so let me see if I can, you know, just write some stuff in here to, and this is not a professional copy, guys. This is just for the video demonstration purposes, to show you guys that whatever you want to build, you can build it using Quack Builder. Quack Builder is amazing. We have customer making like 10K per month and more. So you know this software is amazing, and we out here helping people helping changing people life. So let me just type this in real quick. Yeah guys, so if you guys need a professional custom website for your business, please guys contact me at quackbuilder.com, or just click the link in the description. All information gonna be inside of the description, so you guys can just look in the description and just you know, click the link where you want to go. And we also have a number on the top of our website and on the bottom of our website. You can email us as well. If you need us to build a custom website for you, you can call us, contact us, you can email us, let us know that you need a website, and one of our web design specialists will contact you, or just, you know, build your entire business for you, because that's what we do. We build businesses for business website for businesses. Okay, so if you want to start a business, you want to, or even if you want just a personal website, just contact us and we can build a custom website for you. Okay, so like that being said, let me continue to customize this website that I'm building. All right, so let me see if I can brainstorm something to go right here. Let me just see. All right, let's use this for right now. And please keep in mind guys, we're gonna show you guys, you know, a lot of new stuff coming out that we're gonna be making videos for, so also look out for that. We have a lot of amazing stuff coming out, because Quack Builder always improve, and we always build new features for our customers so they can become more successful online. So let me just come right here and refresh this, and that's the way how it's going to look. As you can see, coming along very nicely, very beautiful website. Okay, all right, so basically you can see everything is looking good. All right, so basically what I was saying is, excuse me, hopefully our focus is to make all businesses that on our platform that using our software become successful. So we're gonna help you guys with everything that you could possibly need to become successful. We're gonna give you all the tools you need. Basically what we're using, we're giving everything to you so you guys can use it to become successful. We have we have client making over 10,000 per month using our software, using our tools that we give to them. Okay, and we coach them through everything. We help them through everything. You know what I mean? We help them with search engine optimization. We help them to build their website. We help them to build their funnels. We teach them how to do it themselves so they can basically customize anything on their website on their own. Okay, so if you want to control your business online and build your online presence, Quack Builder is the easiest way to do so. Okay, you're gonna build website, or you're gonna build funnels that attract customers to just pay you for your product and services. All right, so let me see if I want to add this in here. No, I don't think this would be appropriate for right here. So I'm just brainstorming guys to see what else I need to add in here, because building website is really fun for me. So basically I'm just enjoying building website every single day, because that's what I like to do. I will build website every day, every second, every minute of the day, because that's just me. All right, so let's just add an image. And Quack Builder make it so fun to do. You know what I mean? I got everything I possibly need to just build some great and amazing website. All right. So let me see if I can find an image real quick. Scroll down as and excuse me, hopefully. And as you can see, guys, it's just, you know, everything is just right there. Like, I need an image, I don't have to go nowhere else to get an image. I just go in the directory and download an image, and it's just right there in Quack Builder. You know what I mean? And the image is beautiful image. The image is stunning. As you can see, all of the image is high quality, high resolution image. Okay, this make your workflow so much easier and so much better, if you know what I mean. So I'm scrolling through a couple images, just click the one that I like, and as you can see, Quack Builder download it immediately, so you can just put it inside of your website or your funnel. So this is the image right here. I like it. I can stretch it. I can do a lot of stuff with it. If I don't like it, all I can do is just change it. It's not a big deal. Okay, because there's millions of images to choose from on Quack Builder. All right, so let me draw some text in here. Just, you know, add some stuff to it. Muscle building pro. All right, so let me see, customize this, make it a little bit smaller, and let me see what I need to do, because it's so easy, guys. Like, if I want to speed my workflow up with Quack Builder, I can do that, because the Quack Builder have a built-in copy and paste tool, excuse me, hopefully, that I can use. So if I build something in one column that I like, I can just easily copy all of them, all the same thing, to all the columns, and just customize it. Excuse me, hopefully. That's so easy Quack Builder make it for you to build your website. All right, so let me see if I can just, you know, add some text in here, some more information in here about this bodybuilding pro stuff. All right, so start building your abs, core, hip, and flexor. Let me see, what else can I add? Neck. Okay, not too shabby. So let me save that, because I always want to save your work. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is copy, and this is the copy and paste tool that I'm telling you guys about. Make it so easy. Just pull it right there and pull it over here, so I can change those image later on. So as you can see right now, I just gotta match all the image up, so make all the image like the same kind of size. Okay, so let me see if I can pull that. I think when I had the text in, it would make it better. Let me see if I can copy and paste all those as well. But let me see if I can just change this image real quick. All right, so let me just search for something real quick. This is my favorite part, when I oops, excuse me, hopefully when I should search for my images, it's like, oh my god, I gotta search for these images again. I don't have to go nowhere. It's so awesome, guys. So let me just scroll, see what I want to download. And every image, guys, it's download. Every image you search and find, it download into your project. So it's always going to be there for you to use it over and over again. Okay. All right. So let me change this one, bring that up some. And we have another image to change, but as you can see, I'm trying to make sure it's uniform with everything that going on inside this website. So let me just copy those over. I can always change them later on. So this is how easy it is. Just make your workflow is so easy. You just go again, you search for your image. And I think that one look really good right here for what I want it for. So let me just select that. And there your image. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is basically bring that up as well and just bring over those texts that I copy. And let me see, stretch is fine. Just bring over these texts that I copy right there as well. I can always change those texts later on, but this is just to speed up the workflow. Okay, so what I do is just copy those over, and I need to see how it look as well. So let me see if I can just save that real quick. Look very good. So let me preview it and see how the customer would see this website. Perfect. Looking great, looking stunning, as you can see. All right, so with this block right here, as you can see, there's like something in its background that I need to change as well. But let me see if I can, you know, customize it a little bit. Let's see which block it at. All right, so let me see if I can change. I don't really want to change anything else up here. Everything look good. I think I'm going to change the spacing some, although, but I always overlook my work and make sure that my work is basically, you know, basically, you know, just looking good overall and also uniform. Okay, I basically want everything to be uniform and spaced well. All right, but what I do is I basically built out the site to a level that it's look good, and then after that I just go back over the site and then I make sure all the spacing is right, all the colors is right, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I don't want too much of this color. I just need to separate it some. So let me refresh it. That look awesome like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just finish work on this block because this block needs some more adjustment and so on. So let me just click the block palette, and then I can just, you know, there's a lot of stuff I can do regarding this block, but let me see. I don't want to make a color there. I should delete that image. I just want, I think I do not want to parallax it. I think I'm gonna put a color behind there. I think a color would be looking more appropriate instead of an image, I can add video background and so on and so forth, but I'm just gonna see if I can overlay it and just bring in the overlay to, yeah, white is fine. Just save it and just preview it and see if it looks way better. Okay, so as you can see, the website is coming along. Yeah, it looked perfectly fine. I like it. You know what I mean? This is my favorite part of the day, guys, when I got a design website. Because it's look, you know, when you start from scratch and you build out your website and you build it out, and then when you go back and you look at it and you'll be like, oh my god, this website is so beautiful. It's like you know, that's the amazing part. And then you can add all these features to it afterwards, excuse me, hopefully. And then you can just collect payment from it, and then you just watch your revenue grows. It's just awesome, you know what I mean? It just it just, you know, it's just a good feeling. It's just a good feeling to see how easy it is to build your business online. You know what I mean? So as you can see, I'm speeding up my workflow again. Just copy that button over, and let me see if I expand it, if it will look better expanding it. So let me edit that. I mean, you can say enroll. I'm just gonna leave the text as for right now, because I can change the text later on. But for this video purposes, I'm just gonna see if I can expand these real quick. See, expand. Yep. So as you can see, it's looking good. I like it so far. Looking good. You know what I mean? So let me see if I can just save it and preview it and see our customer would see this website. Oops, excuse me, hopefully. Let me close that. My hand is pushing that mouse button, but it's fine. Okay, so that's basically the way it look. Our customer would see it. All right, so, and I can, you know, give the button features and so on and so forth. Like it can make it bounce, I can make it hover different, I can make it pop up, I can make a lot of stuff happen to the button. Let me see. Right here, click right there. And let me see if I need to style the button anyway. Do black look better? No. Let me see if I can change anything. I'm just improvising, guys. I'm just looking around to see what I can do to make it better. You know what I mean? But as I said before, like if I change something and I don't like it, I can easily go back and change anything on this website. Okay. Let me see. Gradient. No, I don't want to add no gradient to it. Let me see if I can just, do I want to link it to the check? Just let it go somewhere for now. Let's let it go to checkout for now. I'm just gonna make all of them go to checkout for now until I build the enrollment page. Let me see if I want to do anything else to it. Let me see if I can just edit the text. To me, everything looking good. Let me see. Do I want to make it bold? No, I don't want to make it bold. But that's me, guys. I always go around and I improvise and make sure that it's basically what I want onto the site. Okay, so let me see. This is like, you know, you can make the button like do animation stuff. You can make it grow, you can make it pop, you know what I mean? You can make it do a lot of stuff, but I like pop. I like when the button like pop up sometime. So let me click pop and let me see if I wanna. I don't wanna drop no shadow on there. Okay, I think that look good. Let me see if I want to border it. Just a little bit. No, I don't want that. So let me pull that down some, just a little bit. Let me see. No, don't want it too much. Just a little bit of border on the button. All right, so for these other button, I think I probably want to make it the same. Let me see if I can just bring this one. I would be better if I just copy them over because they would have the same exact thing. So let me preview this real quick, and this is how it would look when I cursor over the button. But as you can see, that one doesn't pop because I did not make it pop. So what I'm gonna do is just copy this button and put it right there, delete that one as well, excuse me, hopefully, and just copy that one over as well. And now they have the same thing, same settings. Okay, so as you can see, they all pop in. Those are some popping button. So yeah, that's basically how you make the button like do some, you know, do some animation stuff. All right, so if I go back to the builder, this video is getting too so long, guys, so please bear with me. I think I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video because this video is getting too long. It's gonna take so much time to upload, so I probably just do a part 2. Please guys, just let me know if you want me to do a part 2. And also guys, if you need website, just email me, call me, you know, or go to my website quackbuilder.com and we can build your custom website for you. All right, so let me add another image right here and see if I can just, you know, look for something real quick. Garden fitness app. I know this not gonna basically give me like no app because I don't really want it a app, but for the image that I'm looking for an image with a phone. Let me see if I can find one real quick. Let me take this off. Yep, so I'm just looking for an image with a phone, so I can just, you know, put that inside of the website real quick to see, just in case, like, you know, some fitness person, they have apps, you know what I mean, so they can download their apps from their website. All right, so let me just go through some. Let me select this one and see. Not too bad. Maybe zoom it up some, pull it out some, pull it out just a little bit more. I might change this image, get another image, but for right now, I'm just gonna see if I can leave it and build out the other side first. and then come back later on and change that image. So let me see if I can just put some text in here. Best fitness app all fun start here. And that should be one hand. Let me remove one. All right, so let me see if I can just change the size of the text and change it a little bit more. Not too bad. Let me see if I can change the font. Whoops, excuse me, hopefully stay and save. All right, so let me see if I can. Not too bad, but that's not what I'm looking for basically. Let me see. Okay, so let me see what else I can do to this. And I can import my Google font, but I don't really need it for this website. If I want to really get advanced, then I can just import my font. Got a lot more font to choose from, but for this website I don't really need it because of what I'm building for this website. So let me just see if I can, you know, just take it down. Let me see, 1.0, perfect, looking good. But let me see, 0.8. All right, cool. And then let me just adjust this down some. Whoops, wrong one. All right, this one down some. And once I push that down a little bit more, and then just add some text in here. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna make a part 2 for this video, so it's getting too long, but please bear with me. Oops, excuse me, hopefully need to put apps. Let me see, tracking your fitness goal today. The app is free. The app is free. You can download it on your iPhone or Android. Then let me see, smartphone. I think that should be good enough. As I said, not a professional copy for this one because this is just a test. This is just a video demonstration. And then click save. So click save. What I need, I'm going to change this image, but I'm going to leave it for now until I think I need 2 more images. So what I'm going to do, because I'm trying to get them to download the app for Android and smartphone, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, excuse me, hopefully put an image right here. And I'm going to go to my gallery and I'm going to search for an image, say App Store, and see. want that one. See if I can find something. All right, so this Android thing look good for the Android app. So let me just click it for now and see if anything is there. Else is there? No. I think I'm just gonna use that one, but it's always good to search as well, you know. So I'm just gonna use that, like just click that, select it. As you can see, it's in our website. I'm gonna pull this over some. I'm just gonna pull this up some, make it smaller, pull that down, and then I'm just gonna add another image at the side. All right, so this time we're gonna be looking for an image for a app kind of like iPhone. So Apple is really giving me the Apple Store, yes. That's exactly what I needed. All right, anyway, so let me scroll down, see if I can find something. Let me take this off and say Apple logo. Cool. So let me scroll down, and I think that thing look good, but let me see if I can find something else. Scroll down and let me see if I can find something close. You know, I always can change it later on, but let me see if I can, this thing right here. I think I'm gonna use this one. Just select that. Then I'm just gonna pull it up some. And then I pull this over a little bit. Oops. Let me see. I think I'm better off like that. Or, let me see. Should I stretch it and see? Yeah, look better. Let me see this one. Stretch. No. So I gotta pull that down. Just match it up with the size of the Android. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So now you can download the Android or Apple. Okay. So next thing that I want to do is, let me see if I can pull this out some. No, it look better like that. So let me keep it like that. All right. And just click save. And let me see if, yeah, they match up perfectly fine. So I'm good with that. And I think I'm gonna change this image now. And I'm gonna, you know, just say phone. I need a phone that like facing me. So let me see if I can find something like that. All right. So yeah, perfect. Cool. So this look good. So I'm just seeing where, if I want to stretch it or not, but let me see if I can find something else. Let me see. Phone. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, we get in there. Let me see if think I passed one. This one look good because it's facing me like somebody have it. But let me see if I can get anything else. All right, so that one look good as well. So let me select that. And I'm just gonna use this one because as you can see, I can see it very clearly. And yeah, perfect, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is basically add some text down here. Once I had that, because this text that I'm gonna add down here is just like some terms, and basically it's gonna be visible but not too visible. Okay, so like a disclaimer kind of thing. Please click on the icon. So please click on the icon to start downloading your app. Downloading your app. If you have a Android phone, click the Android icon. If you have a iPhone, click the iPhone icon. Oops, excuse me, hopefully. C-O-N, yep. To start downloading. All right, so that looks good. Now we have to modify it because this text, it should be much smaller and basically more harder to see. So it's gonna basically be the fine text, and I'm just gonna basically, let me change the font and see how it look. Yep, perfect. Let me mess around with this some more, and 10. This 10 is gonna be appropriate for this. All right, so now we're just gonna make it a little bit more invisible. Excuse me, hopefully. So let me just bring that down some and look at it. Nope, to bring it up a little bit more. Nope, too light. Let me see just a little bit more and see. Yeah, it's getting there. So let me see just a little bit. You need it to be seen but not really seen. Okay, so that looked perfectly fine. Now I guess that's what I wanted. So let me pull this down some. Click save. Let me pull this up a little bit. save, and let me refresh it. And as you can see, now it's look awesome. I love it. I love the way it look. Guys, I gotta make a part 2 of this video because this video is getting super long. And as you can see, I'm making this website a fitness website, and trust me, it is really fun for me. I really love it. But I gotta stop the video because it's gonna be taking the whole entire day to upload. That's why I don't like my videos to go too long. But as you can see, guys, this is how you build your website from scratch, you know, from start to finish. You know what I mean? Okay, so let me just try to add one more thing real quick. And trust me, I can do this all day and night because this is what I enjoy doing. All right, so let me see what I can find. All right, so let me scroll through and see if I can just, let me see if I can just make it by myself. I just put a container right there. And once I had that container, let me split it up into 4 and see what I can come up with real quick. All right, so let's just use these image as a quick start. All right, so just pull them over, and this is the image that I copied a long time ago. So this is what I was telling you, that Quack Builder make it so easy to speed up your workflow, because you just can copy stuff and just keep it, and when you want to use it, you just use it back again. Okay, all right, so our team. All right, so basically I'm just making out our team. Let me see if I can change this real quick. Perfect. And click save. And let me just find some of my team real quick, because as you know, this is just a demonstration website. This is not my business, so I don't have a team of fitness, but I can find a team of fitness expert on to Quack Builder with the image directory. That's how awesome this is. So I just search here for some people, and who do I want to be on my team. All right, so please keep in mind, guys, you guys can change this. Make sure you put your real person that on your team for your company. Okay, this is just a demonstration video of me making a custom website to show you guys that how you can build your custom website. But for you, everything on you that you put on your website should be 100% real, such as your team members. They should be your actual team members. Okay, all right, so I'm just doing this because I gotta make this video. So I'm just basically just, you know, come up in with some people to fill the space of the website. All right, so as you can see, search again for some more people. And then let me just see if I can find who I want to be on my website. This guy right there. Let me just select him. and just pull that down. And then now let me see if, let me delete that, because I'm just gonna put them into the background so of the column, so I can just write their information on top of them. So that's why I have to remove that one. Scroll down real quick. Let me see. I think, wait, let me see. She would be perfect for the team. So let me just select that one, and perfect. And for this, I'm just gonna just select this one, paste that in there. And then after that, let me choose somebody else. Let me just get him real quick. Okay, and then I need to just delete these and put into the background as well. So I'm just gonna put him back into the background. Perfect. And then this one, I'm just gonna add the background as well. Her, I mean, excuse me, hopefully. And then I'm just gonna, you know, just adjust back everything so it can just, you know, line up everything back again. So let me just see if I can put some spacer in here. I don't need the spacer, but for right now, let me see. And I need to delete that image as well. That over there on the right, I also need to delete that one. But let me do this first real quick. I'm going to delete the spacer in a minute too. So let me remove this. All right, so let me save that. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is to add some information in there to make sure that my team, everyone knows my team, and you know what my team do or does. Excuse me, hopefully. So what I'm gonna do is add some text in there, and I'm just gonna say, what's her name? Just add some text in here to say, let me see if I can change the color. I just take it down some. I gotta delete the space because I don't need the space. As I was saying before, I just put it there to just hold it up. Or I should just add it at the bottom. At the bottom of this, at the bottom of her name. Let me pull this up some. Okay, so I'm thinking, guys, if I should add the space to the bottom of that offer, but just let me write these information in here because I don't have to add the space, but I'm just trying to improvise. All right, so let me see. And all these image is just my team. I'm gonna put their name on them, and then they when a customer come to my website and they click their name and or the button below their name, they're gonna actually go to their page of the website, and they can read about them and see what they do and so on and so forth. So that's why I'm making my theme block right here. Okay, so they can just go click and visit their information onto their page. All right, so let me see. I think I probably need that space right there just to, you know, add a little bit. Yep, this spacer just to, you know, make it look more better. All right, so and I can adjust this up some, pull the spacer down so it look more better off like that. All right, so I need the text down, so that's why I'm doing this. I need the text down, and I'm gonna put it down out of her face in a minute, but that's what I'm basically looking for, the sweet spot of where I should put that text. All right, so let me see what else can I do. I need to have like a thingy over her, so not too much, but just a little bit. Perfect. And I'm just gonna have to change the color as well. Gotta probably give it some different color with a more and let me see, more darkness, and then I have to change the color too, so let me pull that down some, put it over a little bit. So what I'm trying to do, guys, I'm trying to make it uniform kind of, so I don't want to be using like too much different colors, so I'm trying to make it the site more uniform, if you know what I mean. So I'm testing out different colors that in the text, but for the thing around the text, I'm trying to make everything more uniform. Okay, so for this, put it in black too. Let me see if I can get the green. And try to make it a little bit bigger, I guess. Perfect. Let's see, bigger. All right, so let me save that and just refresh it and say our team, and that's how it would look. All right, so as you can see, guys, that's how each and every one of them gonna get their name onto their picture, and then that's gonna link to their pages. Okay, so let me show you guys real quick how I'm gonna do this block. So basically all I'm gonna do is copy those texts, and I'm gonna use it on all these other columns. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste them, put them on these other column for these other teachers, and I can change the name later on. Okay, it's just for demonstration purposes, so just pull that down, and each teacher should have their name on their column. Okay, so let me just put these texts in real quick just to let you see what I'm talking about. So in this one, put that over there, and this one, put that over here. Okay, let me pull this down some. And then next, let me do the last one, last but not least. Let me pull this down. Let me put this over here, pull it down some. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is basically just add the button and to each individual one of them, and then I'm just gonna link the button to their pages. But for right now, I'm just gonna add the button. So I go up there and I copy the button that I want to use, and I'm just gonna, put it here, and I'm just gonna name it, say learn more for right now. So if they click the button, it goes to their pages, and then it basically they can learn more about the individual that they click, the button that they click. Okay, so each button gonna be unique to each team members. Okay, all right, so let me see the style. Let me just just put it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna spread it out, the letters a little bit, right, because I want it to be just a little bit spread out. Then I'm just gonna copy that, and I'm just gonna use that for all of them. Put one here as well. Okay, and then space it out a little bit, and out a little bit, out a little bit, and a little bit. All right, and let me see, can I adjust it a little bit more? All right, so that looks good for now. And basically this is exactly how the page would look on a customer perspective. So as you can see, guys, I built this website from scratch. So I basically build what inside of my head out and the builder. And please keep in mind that this website is fully functional, and I can add a lot of awesome stuff to it. I can also take payments from this website, if you know what I mean. I can take payment, I can book appointment. I got a lot of stuff that I can do basically onto this website. I can give courses. I can also do like videos, etc, etc. In this video is basically I focus more on the design of stuff, how stuff is gonna look, and so on and so forth. I can change anything at any time. As you can see, it's just a beautiful website, you know what I mean? So this is what we do every day here at Quack Builder. We build custom design for businesses from all over the world. No matter where you're at in the world, we can build your custom website for you. All you need to do is just contact us via a email, text message, or even call us, and we will happily build your business website for you. Okay, we help over 2,000 businesses or more build their successful business online. Okay, so our goal is to see you become successful. All right, so like that being said, guys, this is the preview of the website. Hope you like it, and subscribe, like, and comment. Peace. Our link is going to be in the description.